Is it safe to cook frozen ham without defrosting?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a common question many home cooks and ham lovers have. Is it safe to cook frozen ham without defrosting it first? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the do's and don'ts when it comes to cooking a frozen ham.
Understanding frozen ham.
Frozen ham, just like any other frozen meat, is preserved at low temperatures to maintain its freshness and safety. It's important to remember that frozen ham doesn't mean it's ready to be thrown into the oven immediately. Cooking a frozen ham without defrosting can lead to uneven cooking.
Is it safe to cook frozen ham without defrosting?
Technically, you can cook a frozen ham, but it isn't the best idea. The problem arises due to the time it takes for the entire ham to reach a safe temperature. When you cook a frozen ham without defrosting, the exterior may cook or even overcook, while the interior remains undercooked. Consuming undercooked meat can lead to foodborne illnesses, making this method potentially unsafe.
What's the correct way?
The USDA recommends thawing your ham in the refrigerator before cooking. This will ensure that it thaws evenly, reducing the risk of foodborne illness. Plan ahead, because a large frozen ham can take up to a couple of days to fully thaw in the fridge. Once it's thawed, you can cook it using your preferred method, ensuring the internal temperature reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, as per USDA guidelines. Always use a meat thermometer to check the temperature at the thickest part of the ham, avoiding the bone. So, in conclusion, while it's technically possible to cook a frozen ham without defrosting it, it's not the safest or tastiest choice. Always thaw your frozen ham in the refrigerator before cooking. Your taste buds, and potentially your health, will thank you. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking, everyone!